Good morning, I'm back in Maryland. Came in last night. I'm a little bit tired, but make it back home safely. Still on California time, but thank God we're home. Still a little bit jet lag, tired and all that much, but I came out to do a little shopping. So come along with me. Hi guys, I just came back out from this store. There's Jackson in the back. Jackson, can you say hello?
Hello.
Look up. You're not even looking up. So he's playing his game. Anyway, I'm gonna stop at Trader Joe for a little bit and just head on home. These are so expensive. Man.
A lot of things.
Yeah, things are. I've been gone for like 3 months and things just, I don't know, just got so expensive. But anyway, just kind of heading home and things gonna do a little cooking or something.
Everybody.
Guys, I came back about half an hour ago from shopping. I just want to show you what I purchased. Hang on a minute. Guys, look at some of my purchase I made this morning. Some nice fruits and yeah, they're all fruits and pumpkin. I'm gonna make some soup later. I've got some West Indian food, ackee and callaloo and some jerk seasoning there. And here's some other stuff, eggs, yogurt, spread, butter and cheese and stuff like that, some couscous and some grain, pasta I should say, I'm sorry, jasmine rice and some brown basmati rice as well, and then egg and then bread. Jackson go through a lot of yogurt here, so this might just last for a couple of days. We didn't want to buy much, so we can go back. Here comes my butcher box. I just opened the door and I saw that it's there. Actually, I just got an email from them that it's at the door here. Wow. Okay. Actually, this is a big box. This is not the usual size that I order. So, Jackson, help your grandma. Help. Jackson, can you help me with this, please?
Yes.
Oh, help. Just pull it over. No, not to lift. There you go. That's good. That's good enough. Thank you. All right, go back and finish your snack. All right, guys. Just got this from the door. They just dropped this. This came in pretty quick. Took like just 3 days. I will be cooking something from this box later on today. Stay with me. Guys, I just want to show you this box came well packed, and here it is. The ice still there, ice and everything. It's nice and cold and everything. I'm just gonna unbox these, take this stuff out and let you see what's in this box here. Bear with me. Oh, I have some salmon here. And And that's pork chops. That's pork chops. Oh, this is ice cold. They did not put that booklet that I asked for. I need to call him back. There's and that's bacon. I did order so much chicken, darn. Whew. More chicken.
You love to eat it.
These gonna last us for a couple of months. You see that?
This is great to eat.
They're uncooked. They all have to cook.
When they do they?
So guys, I just want to show you all that I got from Butcher Box. So I have 2 sets of sockeye salmon, 1 pack of sable fish, and cold smoked Alaskan salmon for sandwich, and 2 packs of chicken thighs and wings, and this is pork chops, and the ribs, and breakfast sausage, and bacon and ground beef. Now this is going to last us for some time. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link below, and where you can save $30 off your first order. So I'll put a link down below, and you can save $30 if you do order from Butcher Box. All this meat is organic, and I think they're somewhere in Boston. I'm not sure. I think I can check the box, and sometimes I get mixed up with their address, but I think their head office is somewhere else. This is anyway. Yeah, that's away in my fridge. I'm not sure if everything here can hold, but I did make a little space for them where we don't have to do any buy enough meat for any time soon. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Here's Jackson sitting down having his snack and playing. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up if you like what you see here, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Bye bye.